From the sun-kissed fields to your very own fork, the journey of our spaghetti is a symphony of dedication and precision. We hope you've enjoyed this incredible look behind the scenes. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing journeys and hit journey.
Our journey begins in the sun-drenched fields, where golden durum wheat, the very heart of our pasta, is meticulously harvested. Each grain holds the promise of a delicious meal. From the fields, the golden harvest embarks on its journey to the processing plant. Here, it's carefully stored in immense silos, awaiting its transformation. The wheat then enters the mill, where it undergoes a meticulous cleaning process before being ground into fine semolina flour, the essential ingredient for our pasta. If you're enjoying this journey from field to fork, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't. The finely milled semolina is then combined with pure water in colossal industrial mixers. This crucial step creates the perfect dough, the very foundation of our authentic spaghetti.
Now, the magic happens. The dough is fed into a specialized industrial extruder where it's pressed through bronze dies, giving birth to the iconic long, slender strands of spaghetti. Each strand is then precisely cut, ready for the next stage.
After forming, the delicate spaghetti embarks on its crucial drying journey. Within these meticulously controlled chambers, warm air circulates, slowly transforming the soft dough into the firm, shelf-stable pasta we all know and love.
Make them. Once perfectly dried, each strand undergoes rigorous inspection. Our automated quality control system ensures only the finest spaghetti proceeds before a precision rotary cutter trims them to the ideal length, ready for the next stage.
From precision cutting, our spaghetti moves to the automated packaging line. Watch as the vertical form fill seal machine swiftly creates, fills, and seals each bag, ensuring freshness and convenience. If you're enjoying this journey from raw ingredient to finished product, please hit. The journey continues as individual bags are grouped and placed into sturdy cardboard boxes. Our advanced robotic systems handle this with incredible precision, ensuring each box is perfectly packed and then systematically stacked onto pallets, ready for the next phase of their journey.
With packaging complete, our delicious spaghetti is now ready for its grand journey. Forklifts efficiently load the pallets onto refrigerated trucks, ensuring every box arrives in perfect condition, ready to reach homes and kitchens around the world.
The journey of our beloved spaghetti begins not in a kitchen, but at the factory gates, where the finest durum wheat semolina arrives in bulk, ready for its transformation.
With the raw materials secured, the next crucial step is the perfect blend. Durum wheat semolina meets pure water in colossal mixers, beginning the alchemy that creates our golden pasta dough.
From dough to distinct strands, the extrusion process is where the magic truly happens. Watch as our pasta takes its iconic shape. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to see more incredible transformations. All these values.
The delicate fresh spaghetti now enters its pre-drying phase. This crucial step, controlled by automated systems, gently prepares each strand for the longer, more intensive drying process ahead, ensuring perfect texture.
The longest and perhaps most critical phase, the main drying process, is where the spaghetti truly develops its character. Hours of precise temperature and humidity control ensure each strand achieves its perfect, al dente potential.
After hours, sometimes days of meticulous drying, our spaghetti emerges perfectly firm, ready for the next crucial step, cooling. This ensures its structural integrity before cutting.
Once perfectly cooled, the long strands meet the precision rotary cutter. With incredible accuracy, each piece is sliced to the ideal length, ensuring consistency in every package.
This quality is paramount. Every strand of spaghetti undergoes rigorous inspection by advanced vision systems, ensuring only the finest product reaches your table. If you're fascinated by how everyday items are made, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.
From inspection, the spaghetti moves to packaging. The multi-head weigher ensures perfect portions, while the vertical form fill seal machine rapidly creates and seals bags, locking in freshness for consumers worldwide. Now,
With packaging complete, robotic precision takes over. Bags are loaded into boxes, stacked onto pallets, and sealed, preparing our delicious spaghetti for its journey to markets around the world.
Our journey into the heart of pasta production begins with the most fundamental ingredients: durum wheat semolina and pure water, meticulously combined in these colossal industrial mixers.
From the mixer, the nascent pasta dough embarks on its next critical phase, conveyed with precision to the powerful industrial kneaders, where it achieves its perfect elasticity and consistency.
Witness the magic of extrusion, where dough transforms into the familiar strands of spaghetti. If you're captivated by these intricate processes, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to see more incredible transformations.
Once formed, the spaghetti strands are cut to their ideal length with remarkable precision, then carefully arranged onto specialized drying racks, preparing them for the crucial drying phase.
The drying chamber is where time and controlled conditions work their magic, slowly curing the spaghetti. This meticulous process ensures the pasta develops its perfect texture and shelf stability.
After the meticulous drying process, our spaghetti enters the precision cutting phase. Here, advanced rotary cutters transform the long strands into the perfect uniform lengths you find on your plate.
Quality is paramount. Our automated optical sorting system meticulously inspects every single strand, ensuring only perfectly shaped and sized spaghetti continues its journey, a testament to our commitment to excellence.
After meticulous sorting, the spaghetti enters its final curing stage within the multi-zone cooling tunnel. This crucial step sets its rigid form, ensuring every strand maintains its integrity. If you're enjoying this fascinating journey,
with its form now perfectly set, the spaghetti moves to automated bundling. Robotic precision ensures each portion is weighed and grouped flawlessly, preparing it for its final presentation to the consumer.
the final touch before packaging. A linear vibratory feeder ensures every spaghetti bundle is perfectly aligned and spaced. This meticulous preparation guarantees a seamless transition into its individual wrapper, maintaining the highest standards of spaghetti. From alignment to individual perfection, the journey of each spaghetti bundle is meticulously managed by advanced automation, ensuring every strand is protected.
Once individually wrapped, the spaghetti bundles are carefully grouped by robotic precision, ensuring they are securely nested for their journey ahead.
The journey of pasta is a marvel of modern engineering. Here, a robotic palletizer arranges cartons of spaghetti into a precise, interlocking stack, ready for shipment. Once the load is complete, an automated guided vehicle picks it up and carries it towards storage.
Even with advanced automation, the human touch remains vital. Every package undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure it meets the highest standards.
With quality assured and pallets stacked, the spaghetti is now ready for its journey from the factory floor to kitchens around the world.
With the final pallets loaded, our meticulously crafted spaghetti embarks on the next crucial stage, its journey to the consumer. The wheels of commerce turn, carrying nourishment across vast distances.
After miles on the open road, our spaghetti reaches a critical junction, the retail distribution center. This hub ensures products are efficiently sorted and dispatched to stores, ready for eager consumers.
From the factory floor to the store aisle, our spaghetti is now perfectly presented, awaiting its new home. If you're enjoying this journey and want to see more behind-the-scenes stories, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.
This is the moment of connection, where the journey from raw material to finished product culminates in a simple yet significant choice. Our spaghetti, now a part of someone's weekly shop, is ready for its final transformation.
The final stage of our spaghetti's journey unfolds in the warmth of a home kitchen. From humble durum wheat to perfectly formed strands, it now awaits its ultimate destiny to nourish and delight.
With precision, the perfectly cooked pasta is separated from its cooking liquid, ready for the next delicious step. The aroma fills the air as our pasta is plated, ready for its final flourish. If you're enjoying this journey from farm to fork, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell.
The culmination of a long journey from golden wheat fields to a comforting meal. That first bite truly captures the essence of simple, wholesome goodness.
From a humble seed to a nourishing, delicious meal, the journey of spaghetti pasta is a testament to dedication and simple pleasures. A truly satisfying end to a remarkable process.
After meticulous crafting, our golden pasta is ready for its grand journey, leaving the factory gates to reach tables far and wide.
Pasta. Across vast distances, our pasta embarks on its vital journey, a testament to modern logistics connecting producers to consumers.
And here it is, the final leg of the journey. Our delicious spaghetti arrives, ready to grace your dinner table. If you've enjoyed seeing this incredible process, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to join our community. Here, amidst the bustling marketplace, our spaghetti awaits its ultimate purpose: to become a cherished meal in homes around the world. The choice is clear, the quality undeniable.